In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a story you've read before on Wattpad. If you've ever forgotten the title of a story you enjoyed reading, accidentally closed a book, or simply want to continue reading something you visited in the past, then this tutorial will help you quickly locate your reading history on Wattpad. The process is simple and only takes a few moments whether you're using a computer or a mobile device. To begin, open the Wattpad app or visit the Wattpad website using your browser. Once the page loads, sign into your Wattpad account so you can access your personal reading activity and saved content. After logging in, head over to your profile section where all of your account information and activity are stored. Inside your profile, look for your library or reading lists. Wattpad usually saves stories that you have added to your library, making it much easier to return to books you previously enjoyed. Open your library and scroll through the available stories to see if the one you were searching for is already there. If the story is not inside your library, the next thing you can do is check your reading history or recently viewed stories if that feature is available on your device or version of Wattpad. This section often shows books that you recently opened or read even if you did not save them to your library. Browse through the list carefully until you find the story you were looking for. Another useful method is using the search feature on Wattpad. If you remember part of the title, the author's username, a character name, or even a keyword related to the story, type it into the search bar. Wattpad will then display matching stories that may help you rediscover the book you read before. You can also improve your chances of finding stories in the future by saving books to your library or adding them to a reading list whenever you start reading something interesting. This keeps everything organized and makes it much easier to return to your favorite stories later without searching again. As you can see, finding a story you've read before on Wattpad is very easy once you know where to look. By checking your library, reading history, and search results, you can quickly continue reading the stories you enjoyed without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.